What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Our channel is gradually approaching the 100 subscriber mark, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching this video, kindly do us a favor by being the person to complete it to 100 subscribers, will ya? So today we'll be talking about an AI video generator tool called Morph Studio. It's actually Morph AI, but it's morphstudio.com. And one thing I like about this tool is it gives you the freedom to create more like a story by going ahead to create different scenes in video format to be able to have like different clips of videos that you could later combine using a different tool. Now I went ahead to just create a demo, and then it's quite a story. I called it a quiet morning in the park. And to get the prompts for these stories, what I did was to come to ChatGPT, and I just created something random. I was like, give me a detailed description of a video including camera angles, etc. It should capture the tiniest details. ChatGPT went ahead. Actually, ChatGPT gave me the title, so I rolled with it. Now, ChatGPT started with different shots: an opening shot, transition shot. It gave me around 12 shots, and this looked a bit bulky, so I said compile this into a single prompt, and it just gave me, all right, an opening shot, this is the prompt. Transition shot, this is the prompt. And that became a bit easier to compile it into a video using Morph Studio. You could go ahead and give it a try. Just generate a story and tell it to include shots, and you can just say 10 shots for a video. Now coming to Morph Studio, it actually enables us to impute create different shots using, I've already done this because I have been just trying to avoid the time it might take to generate a new video while recording this, because this is what they say, due to high demand, generations may take longer than expected. They have upcoming plans for to introduce paid packages. But then let me just show you how to create a new one. To create one, you click on create new. Now you select the dimensions or the aspect ratio. I prefer going with this because this is a widescreen. This will also do for probably landscape videos also, but then I went with this and clicked on create. Now let's say we want to create a video on just about anything. Let's say it's a video that covers different scenes of probably someone waking up from sleep. So we could say, okay, the first shot is to edit this. You can say waking up, and you could add a description here or not. Click on save, and to navigate this, you could just use your mouse pointer to move this, or you could just click on this to take you to a view where you could see all the scenes. And then this is where you input the prompt. So a 30-year-old guy waking up from sleep in the morning. That could be the prompt. You just say generate, and it asks you to put in the next prompt once it registers this. So it has queued this job, and it's asking you for the next shot. So that's how you keep on adding the shots. And then what I did was to rename the project here also, by naming it whatsoever name I wanted to. And this takes some time actually, and that was why I decided to just go with this and create what we have already exported. Now this video about a quiet morning in the park, you could sense that it's a video that just shows different scenes of activities going on in the park, because in the end ChatGPT even did an extra by adding the type of sound that should be playing in the background, which was why I opened up Suno because I wanted to just get the entire feeling, like how it would be. So after copying this description of sound, I pasted it here and just selected the instrumental feature. Then it generated this two, and I went with one of this. I think it was the second, if I'm not mistaken. And then after getting the sound, I already had all I needed, because I already had the project files, which were short clips of 3 seconds each. I would have preferred at least 5-second clip, I mean, per video, but then this gave me 3 seconds, and that's the default. You could also extend it if you're not comfortable with having just 3 seconds. So now to open more customization features for each shot, you could just click on this, and this is where you can choose to generate a longer period for each clip, but the default is 3 seconds, which it's too short, I mean, but for a fast-paced video, 3 seconds should be fine. You could also choose the camera angle. You could choose some transitions from here. You could choose from which model from here also. Now this is where it tells you, okay, since we are inputting a text prompt, it means it's going to just select the text to video model by default. But you could also upload an image and to convert it to a video using the image to video model. You could also do video to video. You could do video to video lip sync, which would be fun to try. You could also use the SVD version of image to video. So there are different models that you could choose from, but depending on the input you've given it, it's going to just go ahead and choose what model it will apply. Now it went ahead and generated all these scenes, and it's not perfect. I mean, you're still going to see it within a short time. So what I did was to come to CapCut, and then I was able to just drag all the different shots as I've exported, and the audio file also. Great. And then I added some, like a little flair, like a little intro and an ending to it. I added a fade-in effect and a fade-out effect also. These are just some customizations I did, and then I also added some transitions in between each clip, just to make it a bit, I mean, presentable. And then after doing everything, one thing I would say that I didn't expect was when exporting the clips, I was expecting, all right, let everything be done just within Morph Studio. I mean, from here you could add the transitions, obviously, and camera angles. But then when exporting, I should be able to export all the clips as one video. I should probably have that option, even if I am not going to just go ahead and do that. Now it's going to give you an option to select all the clips and download, but when you download, it's going to zip the files and download them as individual files that you have to open up and just find them on your PC. That's stressful, because this is how it looks. I mean, each video would be this way, having the name you've given the shot and some random characters just in front. That's the only thing I've seen that I didn't really like about exporting the videos. Other features are basically the same, I mean, with the video quality, and this is how the overall output became when I used all these tools to create the video. So let's watch. This is one of the funniest. I don't even know where. Okay, I don't even get what this is. All right, so this is how it looks with some touches. I didn't really do any customization on the videos, like to view how it will look and then alter the prompt. I just went ahead and exported what it gave me first time, and that was what I used. So you could see the potential here. Morph Studio is trying to change the game, which means you could create an entire 5-10 minute video using this, and you could insert the duration of each shot from here. And once you do, you could add the motion. Yeah, by motion it means how fast like those objects move within the shot, and you could do all these things right from this place and export the clips and merge them using any of the tools that you're comfortable with. I think that's it. So overall, Morph Studio is actually very good. I think I'm going to try it with other models using probably the image to video, and even this video to video lip sync. It's worth a try. Let's just see how we can push this to the limit. But then for now, I feel this so far has some great potentials, and yeah, Morph Studio to the world, right? So thank you for watching. That's been it. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.